Hey guys, it's Elise from Pop Wilder, and we're here to talk about the absolute beautiful bird of paradise and the absolute lushness that it'll bring to your home. So the birds of paradise originate from South Africa, and here we have the orange crane-like bird of paradise and the white flowerin bird of paradise. The small leaf bird of paradise will grow to about 1.5 meters, whilst these ones will grow huge. So bird of paradise love a nice bright spot and will tolerate hours of direct light. They can also be positioned outside and thrive. These guys love a nice soak through, so it's important that you give it a good drenching every 2 weeks in winter because they need that for their leaves to grow, and they need all the energy that they can get. Summer, watering, still a nice soak through. They like to stay a bit more moist in summer, whereas you can dry them out in winter. For the bird of paradise, repotting isn't an absolute must for these guys. They can actually get quite root bound and still be okay. With repotting, there's potential for damaging of the roots, so they tend to spend a bit more time and extra care repairing the roots as opposed to actually growing with the leaves and getting that height. So important to note that they're okay to get a little bit root bound. You can get quite a bit of build-up of dust on your giant leaf plants like these guys, so it's really important once a month to either wipe down the leaves, or we highly recommend just giving it a good soak through in the shower or with a hose outside, as it'll just cleanse it, give it a nice clean, and then you'll be able to assist in the photosynthesizing. So we've got plenty of these guys in store in different sizes from small to extra large. So feel free to pop in and check out our lush collection of bird of paradise. We can also show you a few tricks and tips to keep these guys thriving.